everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. As you can tell already by the video, today was another operating room day. Usually on Thursdays, sometimes Mondays. Today it was a Wednesday. But anyways, as you can see here, there's this giant piece of wood. So I was like, that's right where we need to put our receptacle. So we went ahead and unscrewed the screws, kind of peaked it because it wasn't coming off. It was enclosed with sheetrock, so we just decided to skip that, put it actually down the wall. So I cut a hole out, and to my surprise, there was a 1/2 inch or 3/4 90 right on the edge of the hole, so that wasn't going to work. I marked out another spot right here, number 2, did some little pilot holes in there. That seemed like the pipe was going right through it because the pipe 90'd to the left. And then from there, I went into the third stud bay, and then that was our winner right there. Cut out the hole, took the fish stick, put a little 1 foot piece of 3/4 flex on it, shoved it up the wall. We found out that that was all clear. It went up 12 feet. We did try 1 inch first, but that didn't work. It was hitting obstacles, so the 3/4 on the end of the fish stick made it. Apprentice went up in the ceiling and cut out the sheetrock, grabbed that, I tied on the flex, pulled it up, and then he went ahead and finished out the EMT up there, and then we pulled the string through it, and then for the second pipe went ahead and pulled through the 2-inch 90 down to the cabinet again, tied off the other string, and in record time, 3 hours and 9 minutes, not including taking down carton, doing a little bit of cleanup, compared to our other times from Monday and Thursday of last week. So basically 2 hours and 25 minutes of work time and 44 minutes of explanation and planning. So 3 hours, really nice time, faster than I thought was going to happen. So really happy with that. Just set the mood for the rest of the day, dropped a lot of stress. And as far as our pet bird, we did not see him today, so I don't know if he died throughout the night or if he flew out at the back door. And then from there, went ahead and got a brand new flexible fish tape. I'm so excited about that. I appreciate that. Thank you, Steven. And then also got a Racketeer's stud ball. Someone jacked my yellow one off of my cart, out of my locked cart, since we all share the same key. So someone jacked my yellow stud ball, I believe, so I got a brand new blue one, so thank you also, Steven, for that. And then for the rest of the day, I went ahead and worked on cutting in some more nurse call boxes. If you guys remember, I was back in the treatment area, and I cut in these 5 boxes from the front and from the back, and now in the PedFlex area, there's 5 more rooms, and they had to add the nurse call into these rooms as well. So I did the top box already on this room, and I didn't quite finish the bottom the rest of the day. And then the first room right here, or the second room, whatever I just said, I finished this room. The boxes up top are a little close, so that might have to get moved to the right side or go up higher, get some more information on that. And then went ahead and flexed down to the box and matched that at 20. And if I did not already say, did an offset nipple on the top box because the holes don't line up. But anyways, that was my day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. It was a really great day, and I'm really excited that things went my way today. And thanks for watching. God bless. I will see you in the next one, shut down tomorrow morning, so stay tuned for that. I will see you tomorrow. God bless. Peace.